I got my swag on full tilt right now. So, okay. This right here is something new. Something you ain't never heard before. Something you'll never hear again from anybody else. I'm the only one that can do this shit. So in case you're trying to guess what I'm talking about, let me introduce myself. I'm Chris Evans.
I come through trap hits, hard as a motherfucker. Okay. They wanna be my fan, we hard as a motherfucker. Okay. This track that I'm singing on is hard as a motherfucker. And if you don't feel me, then you figure as a motherfucker. I lay down for